Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you my slime collection part 3. And as you can see, you couldn't see my face before because I have tons of slimes. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 slimes. So, I'm pretty sure. So yeah. Let's get started. So I'm gonna move all of these first. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with my smallest slime. This is my smallest slime. It's a butter slime, and it's actually store-bought because it's actually a putty, but I made it softer, so now it's butter slime. Because putties are usually butter slime. But it doesn't stretch that well because putties don't even stretch. Like if you were going to make a bubble like that. It's like a cloud slime stretch. And this is the butter slime. It's a little harder than a normal butter slime, but I still like it because, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go from small. Okay, next up is this slime. It's this. Okay, so I call this Richie Gold. No, gold. Okay, I can't say this. Glittery gold. Actually, no, this is not my glittery gold slime. My other slime is called glittery gold. This is called golden shimmer because it has a bunch of gold sparkles and it's clear slime, and it's one of my smallest slimes. Okay. Whoa! Sorry guys, I'm just gonna get it because my butter slime fell. Okay, I'm back. Okay, next is this, and it's a pink slime. It's a jiggly slime, and I like it. Sorry, that's my dad. So I like it because this one's bubblegum. I have a lot of slimes called bubblegum because they're all pink. So one of them, that one's called Pink Panther. This one is called Bubbly Bubblegum because it has a bunch of foam beads, and those are the bubbles. Oh my gosh, this is really hard to poke, and it's really hard because I left it for 10 days with the cap on, but it's still a little that. Next is this slime. Oh my gosh, I dropped the elastic. Okay, it's this pink slime, and this is also called bubbly pink because there's also foam beads inside. Look, see the foam beads? There's less than the other one, so yeah. I'm gonna put the clean wrap on. This doesn't have a lid, this container, so just put clean wrap on. And this is my biggest slime, and it's called Earth. Wondering why it's called Earth when it doesn't look like Earth? It's because it used to be like blue and green and white because it had blue and green paint, but it turned into this. Let me just move the camera. So yeah, but I still like it. It's really stretchy. And my other slime is also big, but it's smaller than this one. So I'm gonna put this right over here because it's too big for here. Cause yeah. Next is this. This is a grape slime, and it's super duper fluffy and jiggly at the same time. Okay, let me just get this last bit out of the egg. Won't seem to get out, so we'll just, okay, I got it out actually. So it's also like another slime. It's not that stretchy though. So yeah, this is like hard to put in, but it just fits in somehow. And yeah. Close it. It's hard. Okay. Next is this slime. And it's sticky. It's a blue rice slime. And it's really sticky. And yeah. It doesn't look sticky, but it's actually stickier than it looks. Because when you see it, it doesn't look sticky, but when I feel it, it's really sticky. And it's this like greenish blue color. It's like this teal color. And I have rice in it that, look, it's not foamy, it's actually rice if you look closely. It's actually rice. So yeah. Next is the slime, and it's the glittery gold slime that I said the name previously. Before for this slime. This one is the thing, the name. I forgot the name, but yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, so yeah, this is my glittery gold slime. And next is the slime. This is glittery blue glittery apple, because it has like a little bit of apple beads in it. You see? And the slime is blue and it has glitter and some foam beads. So that's why I call it glitter. Okay, so I got the name wrong before. It's called glittery blue apple. So yeah. Or should I call it blue cheese? But I called it blue apple, so I'll stay with that name. And next is this slime. It's called chicken slime because it looks like a chicken, and it used to look like a chicken, but now it's like lighter. But it's really dark, but it looks light on camera. I don't know why, but the lighting. Maybe I should turn off the lights. I'm not sure. I'm not going to, because maybe it'll be dark. So put it back in its container. There's a dry part of it. But okay, so I have 3 more. Okay, so next is this slime. It's called watery blue. Well, I made it when I first got tied on Christmas. I made most of these on Christmas because like 2018, right now it's 2019. So I'm really happy for my birthday. It's in June. And I'm going to be 7. My age is 6 right now. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is my watery blue. And I like it a lot because it's actually clear blue. So yeah, I'm going to put it back in. It's hard to put it back in, and it looks like it's just like oobleck, but not like really hard. And it's liquid when you touch it, and it's a little like solid, not really. And this is a bubblegum slime. It's called bubblegum because it has glitter and it's pink. It's not really like, it's actually this light pink, and it's really pretty to me in the camera, but it doesn't look pretty when like in usual sense. It's really pretty in camera. And next is this purple grape slime, and I scented it grape, and now it doesn't smell good. And it's super hard, so I don't like it. So that's it for today's video. If you liked it, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below what slime is your favorite. So bye!